Hello, my name is Matt Doyle, and I am submitting a project for the Full Stack Bootcamp. And what my project is a React front end and the Node back end. So here are the two main folders here. And basically what this is a basic Spotify web player. Nothing crazy on the front end, just something so I could make it look okay. Um, I used a couple different things. I used Bootstrap and I also used Material UI, which is very similar. And I show the things that I use here, all the different components. And once you click on to log in with Spotify, you'll see a search bar. The first time you do it, it will ask for your permission, just like any other OAuth 2. And it'll ask you to allow Spotify to share your information, and it goes through the whole process. And then once you give permission for my app to use the information of the user, then it will take you here. And once you type in a song, like it'll show, you can type in artist or you can type in a song and you can click on the song and it'll actually play. And then it will also go through the lyrics as well. And a lot of different functionality here. This is also a NPM package, so that was added in, and this is a player component that was added in as well. So my code, you got the client and the server, and once I go to client and run that, I start that with well, make sure I locate to the client and then npm start from the client and then the server, run from the server folder, npm run dev start, and what it'll do is it'll give me this, and actually it couldn't get this to work, but this right here works. If I command and click, it'll take you right here. So yeah, the main things that I used, are the styling. So I got the Bootstrap. Let's see, I used Bootstrap, and I also used this one right here, Material UI, a lot. All the other stuff is kind of stuff that we've used before. And on the back end, the server, package.json here. Here is the lyrics finder, the npm package there, which is just something like this. And then the Spotify web API node npm package is here. I don't know why it's doing that, but I had a bunch of, there it is, important information that I used. And yeah, the biggest challenges that I had, there was one major challenge that took me a really long time to figure out. When I would go and launch it in the beginning from here, it would go here to this screen for a split second, and then it would redirect to a page not found. So there's a huge redirect issue, and I couldn't figure out, and I looked up a bunch of stuff, and some people said to downgrade from React 18 to React 17, but what I ended up doing is disabling strict mode, because what strict mode does is, for some reason, it was running my, let's see, it was running use effect twice in strict mode. And when I disabled strict mode, it actually worked fine. I did that in one of these. I literally just got rid of the strict mode lines of code, said strict mode, and it worked fine. And the second problem, the challenge I had, when I published my GitHub code, I published it with the secret key for the API for Spotify with my secret key, and I got a big scary alert from GitHub that said I messed up and exposed some private data. So I kind of freaked out and I went in and I deleted it, and I still do not know how to post it properly without exposing my secret key. But I guess I'll figure it out. But yeah, it was a great project. Learned a lot. Spent a lot of time on figuring out this redirect issue, but I did it, and I hope to build on top of this and make this just one component of many things. Maybe go to a page here, and then do a couple different things, and maybe just one of the things you could do is go to the player. So yeah, I hope to do a lot of really cool things from here now that I know how to tap into Spotify. And thank you very much for viewing my project.